Yeah, I'm back in the workshop. It's a little cold. I have the heat off just so that there's no noise. But what we want to talk about is, what I'd like to talk about is the patina. Like you have an old car like this one, a friend of mine gave me to restore. I just use his first name, Peter. So Peter gave me this car, which is one of the first remote control cars. And he said, should I paint it? But if you look at it, you wouldn't want to paint that lovely old look it has, look. Now this has already been polished, right? Now you have to decide how much do you want to polish this, like how much do you want to chrome it? Now I've done it a little. If you look really closely, it still has a little bit of rust on it. And you can see it on the badge here. And the windows are up here on the edge of the windows is the same. So it actually still looks old, but it's cleaner. It's not like dusty rust. You can see it on the bumper here in the corner. See, there's rust there still. Is that focusing there? There's rust there still, but it's not dirty, dusty rust. It's just loose. And this has a lovely patina on the top of the bumper here, which I'll just show you with clips so you can see it all. And I took a dent out in here, which it really did. It was quite big, it was about this size. But usually if you push from the inside with a piece of round wood, and you put this down on a piece of wood, or yeah, on a piece of wood, I put it on a corkman, and you just press, it usually just pops out. And then there was a little crease which I had to tap out with a little watch hammer. But you can see with the bit of polishing in that, I haven't made it clean or modern looking. I kept it old. Now, when you want to decide your patina, sometimes it's good to talk to someone else and say, what do you think? Should I paint this? And this is what he did. He said, oh, you think I should respray this? Or should I respray the whole car? And I said, no, it's a vintage, antique. The minute you respray them, they actually, well, most times lose value because they're not authentic anymore. So you want to keep it as authentic as you can. And this being one of the first remote controlled cars, when he repairs it, is going to be worth quite a bit of money. So basically, just with this cleanup, the value of this car has gone up quite a bit, you know. I mean, this car will fetch quite a bit more already. I mean, it does take a couple of hours to take off the trims and polish them all and put them back on, but it's well worth it. But, you know, everyone has to decide their own level of, you know, how much to polish and how not to polish, or how much to polish and how basically you have to hold yourself back. But that's what I have to do anyways. I over polish sometimes. And so you have to about decide, you know, where you want to go. So the best is to do a little bit of it and have a look, and then do a little bit more and have a look until you're really satisfied. I've been doing it for years, so it helps. I mean, I love the look of this bumper here, see? And I'll just show you some of the clips of the car itself. And that's it. I just wanted to help you with your restorations and trying to keep these old cars authentic as much as possible. Keep on restoring. Cheers.